Is this dog crate easy to put together? Is it sturdy? Is it going to be, the right fit for your space? Well, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to put it together. Here are the instructions. We are assembling this for the first time, and honestly, I thought it was going to take a little while, but my wife and I, we are able to put it together pretty quickly. First, you're going to start with the sides and screw those in. Then you're going to go over to the front and screw those in. And of course, it's fairly self-explanatory. The holes are already made; they're pre-drilled holes, and it shows you on the instructions exactly where to put the screws. So pretty simple, and no need to actually make any holes or drill anything. I will say it does come with a screwdriver, but you might want one that is slightly bigger. This one was a pretty small screwdriver, so it'd be nice to have a larger one. Next, we're going to again screw the top onto the top of this cage. So it is pretty sturdy overall. You can tell that there are two entrances, one on the side and one on the front. So I would say this would be a good sized crate for a small or medium dog. If your dog is larger than around 40 pounds, then this might be a bit too tight for them at this size. This is the smaller size for this furniture crate. Overall, we love the look of it. We like how there are two entrances. We still have to put the handles on as well. Right now, I'm screwing on the bottom. So once again, it comes with all of the screws, the screwdriver, and all of the components that you need. And it only took probably 20 minutes total for us to finish this. We also have to put the wheels on as well, so we're going to need to screw those on. So if you have a small or medium sized dog and you want something that's going to look good inside of your home, this may be a good option for you. I hope this video shows you how to install everything properly and how easy it is. And finally, guys, here's what it looks like. It does come with that bed inside too.